Everyone needs a nice pair of oversized jeans. So today I'm going to show you the only oversized jeans guide you need. What's up guys, I'm Chris, a 20-year-old fashion content creator from Germany, and today we're talking about one of the biggest essentials in streetwear fashion, finding the perfect baggy jeans. I'll show you my favorite oversized jeans, starting from the most expensive pairs all the way to my favorite budget options. And trust me, some of these go crazy with the right fit. And before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you want more streetwear and fashion content to upgrade your fits. So let's get into it. First up, we got these insane oversized jeans from Jaded London. These have a super clean wide fit without being too long, making them perfect for classic streetwear outfits. The wash and details on these are honestly insane and instantly make your fit stand out. They cost around 125 euros, so definitely on the more expensive side. The quality is decent, but the next pair actually surprised me way more quality-wise. These jeans are from a German streetwear brand called Oversized. Right now they're around 80 euros, but when I bought them they were closer to 120 euros. These are extremely baggy and the denim quality feels amazing. If you like rocking chunky sneakers or boots, these stack perfectly and make your outfits look way more put together. These next two jeans are from a Chinese streetwear brand called Emo Brother. The designs are super futuristic and definitely harder to style, but if you know how to build outfits around them, these are honestly next level. I wear these all the time in my fits. You can get these for around 110 euros, but in my opinion, they're worth every euro. Here are some outfit examples. As you can see, these jeans go crazy when you combine them with the right colors and layers. Next up, we got these jeans from Dreamers Club. These have a darker blue wash and cost around 90 euros. The fit is longer and not as wide as the others, but the back print makes them stand out a lot. These are perfect if you want something baggy without being too oversized. Now we got one of the biggest staples in modern streetwear, the Colossus jeans from Jaded London. Honestly, almost everybody in streetwear knows these by now. They're super easy to style, not too baggy, and probably one of the best starter oversized jeans if you're just getting into streetwear fashion. You can usually get these for around 90 euros. And finally, we got my favorite budget jeans in my entire closet. These are from Bershka and I wear them almost daily. They're not overly baggy, but they stack perfect on sneakers and work with basically every outfit. For the price, these are honestly crazy good. You can get these around 40 to 50 euros, and if you look on second-hand websites, you can sometimes find them for only 20 euros. So yeah, these are definitely some of my favorite jeans in my rotation right now. But I want to know your opinion. Which pair is the coolest? And what are your favorite baggy jeans brands right now? Comment down below and maybe I'll check some of them out for the next video. See you guys in the next one.